Ms. B.T. Das, on behalf of management and staff of N.K. Bagrodia Public School, Dwarka, Junior Wing, welcome you all to Bal Sabha 2021 for preschool classes. Bal Sabha, as the name signifies, is the amalgamation of confidence, innate talents, and synchronization of body, mind, and soul. Balsabha is a tradition at Junior Wing where 100% participation encourages our fledglings for displaying their innate qualities with confidence. Let us begin the day's proceedings by lighting the virtual lamp and seeking the blessings of the Almighty.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Smile is a universal welcome. We feel extremely delighted to welcome our today's dignitaries. Their presence itself is a big celebration for all of us and will motivate us to accomplish our today's objective. We are privileged and honored to have with us our Honorable Chairperson Madam Srimati Pushpa Devi Bagrodia ji, an inspiration to all of us. I am honored and delighted to take this opportunity to introduce our members of management. Shri K. Dhanuka ji, our founder member of managing committee. Shri Dinesh Kumar Gupta ji, our esteemed trustee member. Dr. Shri S.K. Bhattacharya ji, Director of N.K. Bagrodia Group of Schools. Shri Mahinder Agarwal ji, our esteemed trustee member. Shri R.K. Paul ji, Manager of our school. And Mr. Raghav Bagrodia sir. We welcome Ms. Jayashree Navani, Principal N.K. Bagrodia Global School. Mr. Prashant Prashar, Principal N.K. Bagrodia Public School, Rohini. We want to express our deepest gratitude towards you all for blessing us with your presence. With joyous hearts, we welcome you all.
Mentoring is a brain to pick, an ear to listen, a push in the right direction. We feel proud to invite our respected principal ma'am, who is our mentor in every aspect, a trendsetter aptly depicting the logo of our school: discipline, hard work, and confidence. Her shown path has made us imbibe great skills. I feel honored to invite our respected principal ma'am, Dr. Raji N. Kumar, to address the August gathering. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Sridevi. Good morning, everyone. It's a great honor for me to address this wonderful experience of having virtual Bal Sabha of preschool. I think every year we see that during Bal Sabha, every child blossoms and shows their innate talents to perform on the stage. And I have seen with my last 19 years, which I've been associated with the school, that children who have hardly able to speak, they perform so well during the Bal Sabha on the platform, on the stage. Now, on this virtual platform, literally, it was so difficult to make everyone perform according to the requirement. But I would like to say that 90% of the children are doing so well in spite of all the difficult situations of pandemic. I'm really honored to be associated with this great organization who it was the founder, late Nand Kishore Bagrodia ji, who has personally not only mentored me, also brought up this school to ensure that this school becomes one of the best schools of this area. I'm very happy to inform you all the August gathering, including the parents, teachers, and the students, that our school has completed 20 glorious years. We'll be completing 20 glorious years on 6th April, and I'm happy that our dreams of the founder has been achieved, as we always get wonderful results in class 12th and class 10th in the board examinations. I am very happy to say that most of the children are performing so well in their, not only in their academics, but in all fields of whatever is required, whether it is sports, for in music, dance, any kind of oratory skills. Wherever they go in inter-school competitions, they bring laurels to the school. And I'm very overwhelmed with the response of the parents, who are always cooperating in spite of all difficult situations. Parents, you will agree with me when you know that the children, in spite of this online methodology of the giving the online classes, I'm happy that children have at least achieved the learning outcomes whatever was possible in the last year. Yes, I am very sad to say that we are not able to meet the children physically, but at least I'm praying to God that next session should be better than the last year, that is 2020. And very nicely, all the children have performed, and we could make these videos, and we are going to show you how beautifully the children are performing on the theme about how we have to save our Mother Earth. As you know, Mother Earth gives us so many resources, so many things. So we should respect the Mother Earth, and we should remember that till the time we do not understand why we should save our planet, Mother Earth, it will be very, very difficult to live here. So we have to give to our future generation all the natural resources which we have inherited. So with these words, I would like to thank Suparna, the coordinator, and the group of teachers of the preschool who have worked so hard throughout the year to bring laurels, to bring the excellent classes, online classes, and excellent, activities which could be used for these online classes. I compliment each of the teacher who have put in these efforts. I would also express my gratitude to all the parents who have cooperated with us and brought laurels whatever was required. Thank you so much, and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We dance for laughter. We dance for hopes. We are the dancers. We create dreams. Presenting the welcome dance by our young fledglings.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and do you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and do you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought our chest for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
That was a wonderful performance. One of the most anxiously awaited occasions at N.K. Bagrodia Public School is the annual cultural festival Bal Sabha, celebrated every year by the Junior Wing. The entire journey of this cultural fest is an experience filled with excitement, fun, and frolic, not only for the students and teachers, but also for our dear parents. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a sneak peek into last year's Bal Sabha.
I had a dream so big and loud, I jumped so high, I touched the cloud. I stretched my hands out to the sky, we danced with monsters through the night. I'm never gonna look back, never gonna give it up. Please don't wake me now. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
That was really mesmerizing. Entering the world of new normal and accepting the challenges coming along the way never seemed easy. But kudos to our parents for their unflinching support, cooperation, and faith inspired us to raise the bar for ourselves. We are extremely thankful to the brilliant and capable learners, hardworking parents, and teachers who unitedly sail to and prove the power of teamwork, sincerity, hard work, and dedication. Let's have a glance of the session 2020-21.
Home is the first school and school is the second home. Coronavirus has altered our lives. That includes our school system, teachers, children and parents. Our homes have become schools and parents have become teachers. Unimaginable, isn't it? But it's a fact we have to now live with, and it is happening invariably whether we are far or near. E-learning has emerged as the best way of imparting education. Entering the world of new normal and accepting the challenges coming along the way never seemed easy. But kudos to the brilliant and capable learners and hardworking parents and teachers who unite same of sincerity, hard work, and dedication. This year is indeed another successful attempt to make our budding talents give shape to their creativity and showcase their potential in different ways. Success depends upon our power to perceive, observe, and explore. The sincere efforts and innovative ideas exhibited by our young Bagrodians will surely keep you enthralled as you turn the pages and experience the range of activities. We extend our immense gratitude to our parent fraternity who have been a constant support and motivation for our fledglings. Climate change, global warming are the biggest and most critical concerns of the planet at present. The rise of global temperature, the change in the time of monsoon is major because of the extensive exploitation of nature and its resources. The theme for Bal Sabha 2021 is Save Our Planet Earth.
Namaskar and good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all of you to Bal Sabha 2021. The theme for our annual day is Save Our Planet Earth, which will be presented through a spectacular performance by the students of the school. Thank you.
Every action has a reaction. We have one planet and one chance to keep it safe. The mission of saving our Mother Earth has been started by our tiny tots of preschool Lavender, prepared by class teacher Miss Ila Chetri.
My name is Atharvit. I am studying preschool B. I am Mother Earth. I am very beautiful and colorful. I give you life full of joy and happiness. But, but, but I am not happy because of cutting trees, pollution, and can't breathe. I am dying day by day. My temperature is rising due to global warming. Oh, child, just think, if I am destroyed, how will you survive? So please help me. I need your help.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. E is for environment, keep it clean. If we stand together, we'll make the best team. A is for the animals that we love, swimming and walking and flying above. R is for recycle or use it again. Separate your trash into the right bin. T is for traveling every day. Leave the car and rather walk this way. H is for humans, that's what we are. If we work together, we can go so far. E A R T H, planet Earth is a happy place. Na 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 na. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you.
Earth is the only known planet having life in this universe. We should respect and maintain everything we get from our Mother Earth.
ऋतु नक्षत्रों के गहने, धूप छाँव को वो पहने। ऋतु नक्षत्रों के गहने, धूप छाँव को वो पहने। हरे भरे शीतल वन से, हरे भरे शीतल वन से खिल उठी है ये धरा, ये धरा वसुंधरा। नभ पर रेखा चंद्र सुशोभित, गंगा का जल श्यामल कंपित। नभ पर रेखा चंद्र सुशोभित, गंगा का जल श्यामल कंपित। लहरों पर चांदी की किरणें करती है सारा जियारा। हरे भरे शीतल वन से, हरे भरे शीतल वन से खिल उठी है ये धरा, ये धरा वसुंधरा।
अरे रुक जा, अरे थम जा, कि कुदरत हंस पड़ेगी। अरे नींदे है जख्मी, अरे सपने हैं भूखे, कि करवट फट पड़ेगी है।
ये नदियाँ ये तारे क्या कह रहे हैं, ये भंवरे ये पंछी क्या गा रहे हैं। मस्त हवा का ये झोंका कहता है हमसे, मस्त हवा का ये झोंका कहता है हमसे। झूम 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 ये नदियाँ ये तारे क्या कह रहे हैं, ये भंवरे ये पंछी क्या गा रहे हैं। ये सब है कुदरत का करिश्मा, जान लो इस धरती अंबर को अपना मान लो। कितना अनमोल है पानी, ये है जीवन की कहानी। कितना अनमोल है पानी, ये है जीवन की कहानी। हवा से है ये सांसें, सांसों से है सरगम। दुआ है उस रब की इसे साफ रखना हरदम। आओ सब मिलके हम गुनगुनाएं,
would like to express my thoughts about our earth. It is high time to take action and protect our future. If you want to save our mother earth from global warming, let's take a pledge to make our mother earth a better place to live. Thank you and namaste.
Wow, the sweet fragrance of a rose. There is nothing as relaxing as a fresh breath of air. But alas, we hardly get any. Air pollution is the biggest problem in big cities like Delhi. Let's see how our young Bagrodians of preschool Marigold are geared up to reduce the air pollution. Prepared by class teacher Miss Anushwa Ajrar.
Life is a breath of fresh air. It's a precious gift, so handle with care. Let's all do a share for cleaner air, 'cause life is a breath of fresh air. Share a ride or take a bus, walk or pedal a bike. Driving less or reduce emissions, park those cars and take a hike. Life is a breath of fresh air. It's a precious gift, so handle with care. Let's all do a share for cleaner air, 'cause life is a breath of fresh air. Know your grass after 6 p.m. Pump your gas into. Set your thermostat 78. Conserving energy is good to do. Life is a breath of fresh air. It's a precious gift, so handle with care. Let's all do a share for cleaner air, 'cause life is a breath of fresh air. Ozone tonnage makes that timber when the sun is hot. Do your part to protect our air. The time is now for us to start. Life is a breath of fresh air. It's a precious gift, so handle with care. Let's all do a share for cleaner air, 'cause life is a breath of fresh air. Life is a breath of fresh air. It's a precious gift, so handle with care. Let's all do a share for cleaner air, 'cause life is a breath of fresh air. Life is a breath of fresh air.
Thank you. Good morning and hello everybody. I am Ihan Tripathi. Today in this modern era, air pollution is a serious problem all over the world. The main reason for this is industrialization and deforestation. We must stand together to stop deforestation because cutting down of trees leads to air pollution. The gases emitted from the factories and vehicles to contaminate our environment. To reduce the level of air pollution, we must bring some major changes to our habits on daily basis. We should not cut trees, use public transport, avoid spray cans, and have plenty of activities on the side to mitigate the effect of air pollution. Reduce air pollution and increase your lifespan. Thank you.
थोड़ी हमारे दे ताज़ी हमारे दे थोड़ी हमारे दे ताज़ी हमारे दे काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है काला काला आसमां है बादल भी मैला है घुटता है दम यहाँ जो धुआं धुआं फैला है फैक्ट्री हो केमिकल हो चूल्हा हो या कार हो पोल्यूशन की मार से बच्चे क्यों बीमार हो थोड़ी हमारे दे ताज़ी हमारे दे थोड़ी हमारे दे ताज़ी हमारे दे थोड़ी हमारे दे ताज़ी हमारे दे
प्रदूषण से आजाद कराएं। वातावरण को साफ हवा पानी की कमी नहीं हो। अपने बच्चों को एक हरी भरी धरती दे जाएं। आओ दोस्तों, देश को कूड़े और प्रदूषण से मुक्त कराने का संकल्प लें। टिक टिक बम, बम टिक टिक बम, टिक बम बम टिक टिक बम, टिक टिक बम टिक टिक बम, टिक बम बम।
हे गाइस, छोड़ो शर्म, मुश्किल में है तुम और हम। गरम हो गई प्लैनेट हमारी, कहाँ रहेंगे हम? बड़ी हुई ओजोन की होल, बंद मत कर अब आंखें खोल। आओ सब मिलकर सोचे के बचेंगे कैसे हम। बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम, चिक बम बम। ओ इंसानों तोड़ो परम, मुश्किल में है तुम और हम। गरम हो गई प्लैनेट हमारी, कहाँ रहेंगे हम? बड़ी हुई ओजोन की होल, बंद न कर अब आंखें खोल। आओ सब मिलकर सोचे कि बचेंगे कैसे हम। बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम बम। धुआं उड़ाती गाड़ियां, अनलिमिटेड सवारियां, कांच रहा है बचपन सारा, रो रही किलकारियां। कान के पर्दे फटे जा रहे गाड़ियों के शोर से, जीने की दुश्वारियां, मरने की तैयारियां। धुआं उड़ाती गाड़ियां, अनलिमिटेड सवारियां, कांच रहा है बचपन सारा, रो रही किलकारियां। कान के पर्दे फटे जा रहे गाड़ियों के शोर से, जीने की दुश्वारियां, मरने की तैयारियां। सेल्फिशनेस और करप्शन टॉप टू बॉटम। बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम, चिक चिक बम बम चिक चिक बम बम।
Water is the most precious element on earth and it needs to be saved at all costs. As we know, without water, there would be no life on earth. Saving water is not the duty of any single individual but of the whole nation. So let's start to save every drop of it. Jal hai to kal hai. Children from preschool Sunflower are presenting before you on the topic Save Water, prepared by class teacher Miss Biti Das.
Hello everyone, I am Ashita Rashid in NK Baglodia Public School. Water, water everywhere, not an drop to drink. Water is the other word for life. It is used to all daily routine tasks. We use water to drink, to cook food, to take bath, to brush teeth, to wash clothes, and so on. Without water, there is no life. So, we should all save water. We should not waste water in any form. Save water today, use water tomorrow. Thank you. Water is necessary for all living creatures on earth. So we should not waste the water and try to save it. जल को बचाए, कल अपना सजाए, सबको ये बताए, पानी व्यर्थ ना बहाए।
Water in the garden, water in the sea, water in the air. Water is all around us. Water is a gift from nature, so be thankful for water. Let's save water together. Let's save water together. Water high in the sky, rain on the green grass. Water is what flowers drink.
And fish breathe. Water is a gift from nature, so be thankful for water. Let's save water together. Let's save water together. Save water, save life. La 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 la. La 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 la. Water is a gift from nature, so be thankful for water. Let's save water together. Let's save water together.
एक कहानी जिसमें राजा है ना रानी, थोड़ी नई है थोड़ी पुरानी, पानी की कहानी, भाई पानी की जुबानी। सृष्टि के आरंभ से पूरे ब्रह्मांड में पृथ्वी का ही महत्व क्यों है? क्योंकि जो सबसे अनमोल है वह पृथ्वी पर है, वह हूं मैं, पानी। कल कल बहती नदियां मेरा जीवन है, मेरा स्वरूप है, वह पूजी जाती है क्योंकि उसी ने मानव जाति को पीने योग्य, जीने योग्य पानी दिया। इठलाती बलखाती ये नदियां सृष्टि का पोषण करती ये नदियां, पर यह क्या? मानव ने जिसे अपनी मां कहा उसे ही अंधाधुंध बहाकर, उसकी बर्बादी कर उसे दूषित कर दिया।
दिल नहीं दिमाग लगाओ, पानी की हर बूंद बचाओ।
अच्छा,
अपने ही वंशजों की खातिर समय सही है कदम उठाओ।
अब आप सबकी बारी है। पानी की हर बूंद बचे, इसमें ही समझदारी है।
आप समझ गए, पानी बचे, धरती बचे। अब यह आपकी जिम्मेदारी है।
ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। खुद को बचाना है तो ना करे नादानी, पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी।
Trees are true wealth of our planet. We cannot live without trees. So, let us join our hands together to save trees. Let's plant a tree for you, for me. Let's plant a tree for the planet, for a better world. For every tree that you plant, you bring the environment temperature to a slant. It's high time we think before we cut a tree. Spreading the message across by the fledglings of preschool Lotus, prepared by class teacher Miss Monica Bahel.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shravi, and I'm from Peace to Lotus. Today, me and my friends are going to highlight the importance of planting trees. Trees are do well for our planet. We cannot live without trees. So let us join our hands together and save trees. Let us plant a tree for you, for me, and for a better world. Let us save trees, plant a tree, and save the Mother Earth. Thank you.
ये हवा, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां है अपना, बरसते मेघा के बूंदे भी हैं अपने।
ये हवा, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां है अपना, बरसते मेघा के बूंदे भी हैं अपने।
हरियाली धरती पर पन्नों का हार,
गोदी में खेलते हैं नदियाँ हजार,
नदियाँ हजार। गाँव प्यारे शहर सारे, गाँव प्यारे शहर सारे, पंखी और पशुदल,
प्रकृति के साथ रहे नर वन पशु पक्षी जल, प्रकृति के साथ रहे नर वन पशु पक्षी जल।
पेड़ काटो यार, होली जलाने के काम आएगा।
अरे ये पेड़ को काटो यार, रास्ते के बीच में आ रहा है।
क्यों ना यहाँ इस पेड़ को काटकर बच्चों के लिए प्लेग्राउंड बनाया जाए।
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है।
जिंदगी भर निस्वार्थ होके हमने जिन इंसानों को जिंदगी दी, आज वही इंसान निस्वार्थी होके हमसे हमारी जिंदगी छीन ली। याद आते हैं मुझे मेरे पत्ते, याद आते हैं मुझे वो खिलते हुए फूल, याद आते हैं मुझे वो चिड़ियों के घोंसले जिन्हें मैं अपने कंधों पे संभाला रखता था। पर अफसोस मैं आज उन सब के लायक ना रहा।
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए, धरती का श्रृंगार करें।
मिलजुल के हम वृक्ष लगाए, धरती का श्रृंगार करें।
पर्यावरण को बचाने हम, पर्यावरण को बचाने हम जन जन को तैयार करें। कहते हैं ये वेद पुराण, एक वृक्ष 10 पुत्र समान। You gotta save the world from chaos. You gotta save the world from chaos. Well, all you gotta do is plant more trees. Save our world. बगिया और बने हम सब माली
Animals should be shot only with cameras and not with guns. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, animal kingdom is the most precious gift of God on this planet Earth. Every animal on earth has as much right to be here as you and me. The children of preschool Tulip showcasing on how important animals are for our nature. Prepared by class teacher Miss Shreya Piplani.
अंगलिक बंगलिक रंगलिक जंगलिक जादू है ये जादू जादू है ये जादू जीवन भी जादू है जाने न तू अंगलिक बंगलिक रंगलिक जंगलिक जादू है ये जादू जादू है ये जादू जीवन भी जादू है जाने न तू मेरा उछलना भी है जादू तू मान ले तेरा ये हिलना भी है जादू तू मान ले करके दिखा हंसना है जादू रोना है जादू तो हंसना है क्या जीवन भी जादू है जाने न तू जादू है ये जादू जादू है ये जादू जीवन भी जादू है जाने न तू One is
the greatest gift Mother Nature has given us. It is our duty to protect what we given. There are so many species on this planet. It become endangered. Let's save them before so late and they become extinct.
प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन। ओ प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, यहाँ ना कोई कमी। हरियाली की बस्ती है यहाँ, हवा हवा में मस्ती है यहाँ। कहीं शेर वेर, कहीं हिरन विरन, कहीं पेड़ घने या धूप किरण। डग 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 झूमे हाथी, पंछी नदियाँ सब साथी। है यहाँ रंगोली कुदरत की और अजब सी बोली। कैसे ना प्यार आए बोलो, क्यों ना बाहर आए बोलो। प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन। ओ प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, यहाँ ना कोई कमी।
यहाँ समंदरों का बड़ा है दिल, पानी में जीवन की महफिल। मछली मचले कहीं वह खिल, कछुओं की चाल मगर है कमाल। पर्वत पर्वत उतरे झरने, छल छल कल कल जीवन करने। पंछी उड़ान बड़ा आसमान, नीले सपनों का है
ये
जान।
सच्चा नूर बरसता है और प्रेम में ये सर झुकता है। कैसे ना प्यार आए बोलो, क्यों ना बाहर आए बोलो। प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन। ओ प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन। ओ प्यारी है मुझे देश की जमीन, मेरे देश की जमीन।
Nature is a precious gift of God. We should enjoy nature without disturbing its balance. We all know overpopulation, deforestation, pollution, etc. are responsible for environmental destruction. So, it is our duty to protect our environment and be a part of sustainable development program. Here are the young Bagrodians of preschool Lily are encouraging each one of us on to think green and go green. Prepared by class teacher Miss Suparna Mustafi.
हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सब्ज सोना है। हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सब्ज सोना है। अगर तुम हो तो इतना ही जरूरी इनका होना है। हवाएं मैली मत करना कि जब तुम सांस लोगे, ये दम वापस नहीं आएगा जब तुम खांस लोगे। उगाओ जिंदगी हर याद रखो दिल को बोना है। हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सबसे सोना है। पेड़ उगाओ छानो हवाएं साफ करो, अपनी जमीन से इतना तो इंसाफ करो। उगाओ जिंदगी हर याद रखो दिल को बोना है। हवाएं पत्ते पानी पेड़ जंगल सबसे सोना है।
I, Nikoji Panchi, would like to reiterate the fact that saving our planet Earth is not possible without conserving our natural environment. World Environment Day is observed globally on 5th June every year, which highlights the need to protect our Mother Nature. To achieve this, we need to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Come, let's conserve our environment by planting more trees, recycling and carpooling. Save environment, save life. Thank you.
We're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land and air. This is our planet to share. We need clean air around us all. Land to walk on and waterfalls, but the world is changing day by day. Listen to what we say. One by one, we can spread the news about how to stop pollution blues. Together, we're reaching out to you to help us save the earth. We're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land, and air. This is our planet to share. Imagine our world clean and litter-free. From the ocean to the sky. Join our hands, share the vision we can see. Let's begin by taking pride. Earth, we're in it together, forever and ever. Saving our water, land and air. This is our planet to share. This is our earth to share. We're in it together.
टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
कि कर दो रहम हाँ धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा। कि कुदरत की हाँ नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब बहुत साज है, कैसा ये समाज है।
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है,
मौका ये अपना गवाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। टिक 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 टिक,
कसम ये खाए रे।
टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
Electricity is the backbone of modern society. We can't imagine our world without electricity. There is a need for rational use of it as we use most of our natural resources to produce electricity. Today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. Let's see how our little saviors of preschool rows are showcasing the journey of electricity and spreading awareness to save electricity and save Mother Earth. Prepared by class teacher Miss Sridevi Das.
Morning everyone. Let's start with my introduction. My name is Vatsal, which means love, affection. I study in NK Baglodia Public School. I welcome to all to witness the spectacular performance of preschool rows. Our theme is Save Electricity. Electricity, one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. Switch on, the room is cool. Switch on, you get hot water. Switch on, you get all the comforts of the life. Life is very easy because of electricity. Let's see how it all started.
Hey, 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 ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा। ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। ये सब साथ में जो है रात में तो जगमगाया आसमान सारा। जगमग तारे, दो तारे, नौ तारे, सौ तारे, जगमग सारे, हर तारा है शरारा। तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, ये तारा वो तारा हर तारा, देखो जिसे भी लगे प्यारा।
I am Lugurta Ankya. Let me take you on the journey of electricity. He is Thomas Alva Edison, an American scientist. He invented the long-lasting electric bulb and also many useful devices. Because of his inventions, life has become so easy and the night so bright with colorful twinkling lights. I don't believe this. How can electricity get wasted? It is not water or food. Just click button and have fun. Just click a button and have fun.
Hello, kids.
Hello, Vayu.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, Maya.
Hey, but what's going on? Why are all the lights, music system, fan, air conditioner, and television on?
We are having fun.
For having fun, you don't have to waste electricity.
Oh, come on, Maya. Don't make us fool. How can electricity get wasted? It is not food.
In fact, it is more precious than food.
Even teacher says so. That's why there is an essay competition on how to save electricity. And we don't know anything about saving electricity.
No problem. We will teach you how to save energy. To start with, switch off unnecessary lights and appliances like AC, music system, and television.
Remember, you are responsible citizens of India and you must help our country progress. Each time you save electricity, you are helping a fellow citizen to light his house.
Let's take a pledge to save electricity.
पापा हो या मम्मा हो, पापा हो या मम्मा हो, या मम्मा की अम्मा हो, या मम्मा की अम्मा हो, सबको हम सिखाएंगे, सबको हम सिखाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे, अकल से और मेहनत से, अकल से और मेहनत से, और पूरी हिम्मत से, और पूरी हिम्मत से, सबको हम सिखाएंगे, सबको हम सिखाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे. When you switch off, you help switch on. क्योंकि बिजली बचाना जरूरी है. बिजली की बर्बादी से जब दुनिया ये परेशान है, हम सब बच्चे मिलकर अब से बिजली को बचाएंगे. बत्तियां बुझाओ, बिजली को बचाओ. बत्तियां बुझाओ, बिजली को बचाओ. काम खत्म हो जाए जब भी वॉशिंग मशीन या गीजर का, सनलाइट के आगे बोलो ये लाइट्स में पावर है क्या. बत्तियां बुझाओ, बिजली को बचाओ. बत्तियां बुझाओ, बिजली को बचाओ. ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ बत्तियां बुझाओ. ओ ओ ओ ओ I, Yuvan Agarwal, pledge to use energy from solar power and wind power. Nirvana pledge to switch off when not in use. I'm Nahan Sood, pledge to use LED bulb 6 of light bulb. Thank you. I save electricity.
Okay, Netra, I will save electricity.
Mama, save electricity.
Okay, Netra, I will save electricity. I will switch off the lights when it is not in use.
I need to pledge to wet awareness to save electricity. Thank you. Please share our mission of using energy that's 100% clean. Get your family and friends to join the green team and the Earth Hour movement. from and global warming by saving electricity. Thank you.
Follow the 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle. Conserve resources and find new ways. Take a walk, use a bicycle, plant more trees. Inculcating these small habits in our daily life makes a huge difference in saving our planet. Nature is an asset given to us, and to pass on this asset to our future generations as it is, we need to take good care of it. Dear all, we have come to an end of today's cultural program, Bal Sabha 2021. We thank our dear parents who were with us through this beautiful journey to make it more memorable and successful. We want to thank Ms. Shuchita Malhotra, Ms. Ila Chetri, and Ms. Sridevi Das for all the technical support.
Our dear parents want to share their valuable feedback. I welcome Dr. Suchi Baggi to please share your feedback, ma'am. Please, ma'am. Dr. Suchi Baggi.
Very good afternoon. I'm Dr. Shuchi. I'm Tahan's mother. I got Tahan admitted to this coveted NK Bagrodia school in preschool Rose under the able guidance of Sridevi Das ma'am. And I'm very glad that he is now promoted to pre-primary. And first of all, I would like to congratulate the principal ma'am and all the teachers and all the parents and all these little kids who have put up such a brilliant show today. And when Sridevi ma'am was showing us the glimpses of last year's program, I was feeling a little sad that had it been a normal year, we would have seen our kids performing on the stage and we would have been cheering them from there. But nonetheless, we can't really do much about it. We all have to adjust to this new normal. In fact, we all have adjusted already. And the last year hasn't been easy for any one of us. I don't think anyone would have ever thought of, witnessing a pandemic in our lifetimes. But this is the situation. And each one of us has very swiftly moved from that offline mode of education to this online mode. And I'm a scientist. I'm working with the DRDO, and I have been working on coronavirus since the day it entered the country. And I'm very sure that many of the parents who are also part of essential services who have never ever actually had any lockdown to sit at home and then look at the online classes very closely. I'm very sure many of us haven't got that chance. But still, we have worked very hard, for working the office, then taking care of the household chores, and then switching off onto the online mode of education. And the same thing has happened to the teachers also. Very swiftly from the classroom teaching, you people have moved to this gadget-friendly, app-friendly Zoom, and then the Teams and all those things so well. I'm, kudos to all of you, and thank you so much for enabling these little kids to not wasting their 1 year just because of this kind of situation. So I'm thankful to each one of us, thankful to the principal ma'am, and for me personally, my heartiest thanks to Sridevi Das ma'am, who has always been our support. I've many a times they were like, I couldn't go through that class thing, but she was always there to support us. She had put so much extra effort to make Tahan understand so many concepts. So I'm saying it on behalf of all the parents here. Thank you so much for being such a good, value system for our kids. And please continue doing this good job. So thanks a lot, ma'am. Thank you to everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words really mean a lot to all of us. Thank you so much. Now, I would welcome Mrs. Abba Singh, mother of Rudra Kumar. Please, ma'am, please share your feedback, ma'am. Mrs. Abha.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Abha Singh, Ruju Kumar's mother. First and foremost, I would like to, congratulate all the teachers, principal, who has put a lot of effort to, present today's program. It has gone beyond expectation. All the children were great. Everybody performed very well, and teachers putting all these efforts on visuals and everything. It was mind blowing. It was very good. It was like commendable. Congratulations, everybody. And I would like to say thank you to the entire, management, our principal ma'am, and especially Suparna ma'am, who has, always encouraged Rudra to, perform in small, in this pandemic situation. Like the other parent discussed, that it was not possible. How we could not imagine our children sitting home, not going to school, and the virtual classes. It was kind of not attending sessions. Somehow, teachers, everybody made it possible, and the entire session was not. I mean, my personal experience was I was expecting people that the children won't go school and it will be difficult for us to handle them. But thanks to teachers, thank you, Suparna ma'am, she gave Rudra chance and other children as well to perform virtually, and it was a great year. It was a fantabulous year. We hope that our children get chance like this in future as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Really, your words means a lot to all of us. And thank you all, dear parents, for continuous support and this wonderful encouragement. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. From behalf of all the teachers, I thank you all.
Inayam, on behalf of my all friends, want to thank each one of you for helping us learn through fun-filled activities on each platform. We love you and thank you once again.
Now, I invite our Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Anjali Kharbanda, to give away the gratitude speech. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Sridevi ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all agree with me when I say that the performance of our young Bagrodians has left us spellbound and mesmerized. This is a feat that many thought was impossible, but the stars of our show, the Tiny Tots, they've exceeded our expectations and have given us a valuable message also, which is the need of the hour. So on behalf of the students and staff of NK Bagrodia Public School, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all who made it possible for such an event to take place in such unprecedented times. I'm thankful to our revered chairperson and the members of the management for their unflinching support. Special thanks to Ms. Shuchita for working her magic and making a myriad of diverse performances into a cohesive whole. This event was also the result of untiring efforts for our teachers in planning and executing all the individual performances that made up the program that we had such a fun in looking at. Especially applaudable is the fact that they recognized each child's talent and they were able to involve each and every one into this program. And it has definitely added a step ahead into their confidence and talent. Also, most importantly, I should say that this event would not have been possible without the continuous support and cooperation of our esteemed parents who have worked day and night with our teachers, and they have actually the ones who have recorded the performances that our kids have done. I hope you all felt as proud of them as we are today. And we assure you that this learning and this growth is going to continue for years to come. So all the best to all of you, and thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. May I request everyone to please stand for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all for joining us and witnessing the virtual cultural festival Bal Sabha 2021. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.